Hello friends, welcome back you all to a new video. My name is Abhishek, you are watching Bcoder. So in this video I will show you how you can add a icon or your website logo to the title bar. So to become a part of this Bcoder community, you have to click this subscribe button, and after you will click it, you will feel like
मैं दुनिया हिला दूंगा।
So in the Bootstrap website, you can see here they have added, or any website you will open, you will see their logo inside the title bar. But when you create your HTML website, then you will see this kind of thing, icon is coming. So how we can change this icon? So here this is a portfolio website which we have created few weeks ago. So if you want to see how we have created this step by step by using the Bootstrap, so the link I will provide in the I button, and in the description box you can open and watch this series. In that series we have covered all the things. We have created all the pages of this portfolio website, and at the last we have hosted this website on the Firebase. So all the videos you will get in that portfolio playlist. So moving to the topic, how we can add here the icon. So this is my logo. I want to add this logo in the title bar. So for that I will open my VS Code. So this is the code. I will close the body. Only we will have to write a single line inside the head tag. What we have to do, I will write a link inside the link. So how we link the CSS file, like in the link tag, in similar way we have to write the link tag inside the head, and then I will provide the path of my logo image like this, and I will save it. And one more thing, we have to change the relation. So in the relation we have given style sheet. So the use of this relation attribute, this rel means relation attribute. So here we have given style sheet. So the purpose of adding this thing means the href we are giving here, style sheet.css, means this is declaring that this file is a style sheet file, means CSS file, and here we are adding a logo. So we have to change this style sheet here, and we will provide icon, and I will save it and moving to the browser, and now you can see the logo is present in our title bar. So if you will add this simple thing in your website, it will increase your website look. And here if I will remove this relation attribute, then you will see that that logo is removed, because now this link tag is not being able to find that what is the relation between this. Is this is a style sheet file, is this any other file? So that's why we have to declare this relation keyword, and then it will work finally. So in this way you can add a icon in the title bar and make your website look more better. So if you like this video, then please hit that like and subscribe button, and see you in next video.